Hey everybody, welcome back to Metaverse Explained, the #1 channel on YouTube for Metaverse information. Today we're going to talk about what is Web 3.0 technology and how that relates to the Metaverse. So, what exactly is Web 3.0 technology? Well, according to Web 2.0, Web 3.0 is the iteration of the World Wide Web that incorporates decentralization and blockchains. So let's break that down even further. If you're into cryptocurrency, you have probably heard these two terms many times: decentralization and blockchains. And those two words we're going to define today because you can't understand what Web 3.0 is without those two definitions. So, what exactly is decentralization? Decentralization is the transfer of control and decision making from a centralized entity, individual, organization, or group thereof to a distributed network. So basically, they're taking away the power that the big companies have right now, Google, Amazon, Facebook, and transferring it back to the people. Now, if you really think about it, there's really only three things you usually use when you access the internet. It's usually through Google, which you use to access information or maybe another website. Or you go through Amazon when you want to buy something, or you go through Facebook when you want to access social media. So what decentralization is they take the power away from the big companies and they give it back to the people. Now, what exactly is blockchain technology? Blockchain technology is usually used among cryptocurrencies, but they're starting to use it for Web 3.0 as well. So what exactly is blockchain? Here's a good definition. The goal of blockchain is to allow digital information to be recorded and distributed, but not edited. And this way, a blockchain is a foundation for immutable ledgers or records of transactions that cannot be altered, deleted, or destroyed. This is why blockchains are also known as distributed ledger technology, or DLT. So now, the good thing about blockchain is that you cannot edit or alter transactions. So how it works is that instead of having a central data platform where all information flows through, there's going to be multiple ones throughout the world. So here's a good quote I found. So let's say a hacker who also finds a node on the blockchain network wants to alter a blockchain and steal cryptocurrency from everyone else. If they were to alter their own single copy, it would no longer align with everyone else's copy. When everyone else cross-references their copies against each other, they would see that one copy stands out and that hacker's version of the chain would be cast away as illegitimate. And the reason that's because there's multiple networks throughout the world instead of having one central network. So when one network checks to see if their network checks in with all the other ones, they would see, oh, this network doesn't match up with the other networks. And they would find that wallet and they'll be able to find that person and erase that transaction or whatever. So here's a picture of how it works with Bitcoin. A new transaction is entered. That transaction is then transmitted to a network of peer-to-peer computers scattered across the world. This network of computers then solves equations to confirm the validity of the transaction. Once confirmed to be legitimate transactions, they are clustered together into blocks. These blocks are then chained together, blockchain. These blocks are then chained together, creating a long history of all transactions that are permanent. Then that transaction is complete. So now you're wondering, how does that work with the metaverse? A lot of people think that the metaverse is one metaverse. Like Facebook suddenly owns Metaverse because they changed their company name to Meta. That's not the case. The definition of the word metaverse is augmented and virtual reality accessed through a set of VR glasses or goggles. So any company really can have their own metaverse. Ethereum has their own metaverse. Nike has their own metaverse. So how exactly does that work with Web 3.0? Well, the metaverse is most likely to absorb a lot of Web 3.0 technology. So let me break that down even further. Let's show you an example. Decentraland is a metaverse. It's a virtual reality accessed through a computer as of right now. You can actually make real money through that metaverse. It's an Ethereum-based metaverse. Ethereum is a Web 3.0 technology that is decentralized and is used through blockchains. And now you can make real money, US dollars, by buying virtual real estate, buying NFTs, and then you can make money off that. So the possibilities are endless. So once again, how exactly does it work with Web 3.0? The metaverse, which is a virtual reality, will use Web 3.0 technology to power some of their resources, to power some of their features that they have. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, make sure to share it with your friends, family, whoever's interested in the metaverse. I will be trying to post daily. I'm trying to work up to weekly and then trying to work up to daily. So if you guys are interested, make sure to smash that like button and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, we'll see you guys later.